Hi guys, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a nice 2015 Wildcat, model numbers 242 RLX. It's a nice pre-owned unit under 32 feet long. Come on in. When you come in, you got nice natural daylight in the back. You got two recliners here with a table in the middle. Nice U-shaped dinette that'll fold down into a bed as well. And then you got storage on both sides. Over here you have a little entertainment center with a TV, your stereo that does have a DVD player in it. In the kitchen here you got nice Corian countertops. You got a double sink. Stainless steel appliances. You got your microwave with a hood on it, a 3-burner oven or stove, and a nice small oven. Your double door Dometic refrigerator. Come on upstairs. This is a nice open floor plan. You got your walk around bed. You got power on both sides if you need to plug in a CPAP. And then over here you have a pant or a wardrobe slide out. And then you got your bathroom here. You got your sink with your medicine cabinet, your corner shower, and your toilet. Let's go outside and I'll show you the rest of this nice pre-owned Wildcat. Got a power awning. This rack will fold down. You can haul coolers, bicycles. It's got a full walk-on roof. Here's your ladder. It's got electric stabilizer jacks. There's your power for you to plug it in. Your outside shower, your city water connections, and your black tank flush. Your full pass-through. And on each side you have a 7.5 gallon propane tank. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2015 Wildcat, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My phone number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.